online lending app. So, naglilipa na yan. So, nagme-message pa nga yung iba sa Facebook or Viber. So, my goal is maturuan kayo paano ba ma-verify if registered or legit ba yung online lending application or online lending platform. In short, OLA or OLP. May nirelease na akong video about online lending scams, so just check that video para hindi na tayo paulit-ulit. I also run an anti-scam campaign and I publish my ebooks about this. Sana bumili kayo nitong mga ebooks ko na to kasi marami kayong matututunan dito, and syempre para aware din kayo dito sa mga modern day scams like the Tascam, phishing emails, yung fake recovery. If you want to purchase, just click any of the links below. But if you are not sure how to purchase, just send me an email at lawyer.courses@gmail.com and I will send you a detailed instruction or maski yung link kung paano ma-purchase itong mga ebooks ko na to. First, OLP needs to be registered with the SEC. So, for example, si lending company, meron niyang registration sa SEC and meron din niyang certificate of authority. Separate pang registration yung kanilang online lending platform. However, the Securities and Exchange Commission issued or imposed a moratorium on the registration of new online lending platforms for financing and lending companies in November 2021. Pag sinabi nating moratorium, temporary prohibition of an activity yan. So this moratorium was implemented to address concerns about violations of existing regulations and to allow the SEC to develop new guidelines for OLPs. Only lending and financing companies with registered OLPs as of November 2, 2021 are currently allowed to operate, subject to strict monitoring. So guys, be cautious lang kasi someday mag-i-issue ang SEC ng new issuance. So itong moratorium na to, pwedeng ma-lift to someday. Pag nangyari yon, ibig sabihin itong video na to is no longer accurate. Once may i-issue si SEC, I will update this video para guided ang mga subscribers and yung mga nanonood ng channel ko. So, meron pa akong isang video na kung saan yung SEC pinasara yung corporations. Kasama dito yung other lending corporations kasi merong violation. So, just check that video. So, let me just demonstrate paano ba nagve-verify ng OLP. So, for example, meron kang ma-receive na ganitong message. So, wag ka basta-basta magkiklik ng link. You need to verify. Halimbawa, ito bang si FGHIJ corporation ba yan? Registered ba yan with the SEC? Ito bang Forever Loan? Ito ba ay registered? O yung madalas na term na ginagamit, legit ba yan? So, ganito mag-verify. Pupunta ka lang sa sec.gov.ph. Then, once you get there, hanapin nyo yung lending and financing companies. So, yan. I'll click it. And once nandiyan ka na, yan, click nyo lang yan. List of recorded online lending platforms. So, magko-control F ka lang naman dyan. Ibig sabihin, find. Halimbawa, si Tala. Ayun, so registered si Tala. O, next naman natin hanapin si One Hand. So control F lang ulit. And there you go, One Hand. So ganyan mag-verify if recorded ang OLP. Very easy. So that's it for today's topic. Sobrang ikli lang ng topic natin today pero sana marami kayong natutunan. For now, please like this video, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that notification bell icon para ma-notify kayo ng mga next videos ko na i-upload. Thank you very much.